What is the IRS, Internal Revenue Service? The Internal Revenue Service, commonly referred to by its acronym IRS, is the United States government agency under the Department of Treasury responsible for the collection of taxes, including individual income taxes, employment taxes, corporate taxes, excise taxes, gift and estate taxes, and enforcement of tax laws. In fiscal year 2021, the IRS collected nearly $2.3 trillion in individual income taxes from approximately 167 million individual income tax returns, over $1.2 trillion in employment taxes from nearly 44 million returns, approximately $419 billion in corporate taxes from over 2 million corporate tax returns, over $58 billion in excise taxes from over 1.2 million returns, $4.6 billion in gift taxes from over 282,000 returns, and over $54 billion in estate taxes from over 3 million returns, representing a gross collection in excess of $44 trillion. The IRS mission is to, quote, provide America's taxpayers top quality service by helping them understand and meet their tax responsibilities and enforce the law with integrity and fairness to all, end quote. The IRS describes its mission statement as setting out the agency's role and public's expectation about how the IRS would perform that role, with the three core tenets being: 1. In the United States, the Congress passes tax laws and requires taxpayers to comply. 2. The taxpayer's role is to understand and meet their tax obligations. 3. The IRS's role is to help compliant taxpayers understand the tax law while ensuring that the minority who are unwilling to comply pay their fair share of taxes. The statutory authority for the IRS emanates from the Internal Revenue Code. The IRS is organized to carry out the responsibilities of the Secretary of the Treasury under Section 7801 of the Internal Revenue Code. The Secretary has full authority to administer and enforce the internal revenue laws and has the power to create an agency to enforce these laws. The IRS was created based on this legislative grant. Section 7803 of the Internal Revenue Code provides for the appointment of a Commissioner of the Internal Revenue to administer and supervise the execution and application of the Internal Revenue laws. The IRS structure is divided into two primary organizations: the Deputy Commissioner for Services and Enforcement, DCSE, and the Deputy Commissioner for Operation Support, DCOS. The Deputy Commissioner for Services and Enforcement, the largest organization, oversees the following four primary operating divisions responsible for the major segments and other taxpayer-facing functions. 1. Wages and Investments serves approximately 155 million taxpayers, including those who file jointly with wages and investment income only. 2. Small Business Self-Employed serves approximately 57 million small business self-employed filers who are fully or partially self-employed individuals and businesses. 3. Large Business and International serves corporations, subchapter S corporations, and partnerships with assets greater than $10 million. It also serves U.S. citizens and residents with offshore activities and non-residents with U.S. activities. 4. Tax-Exempt and Government Entities serves customers across three distinct taxpayer segments: employee plans, exempt organizations, and government entities. 5. Criminal Investigation investigates potential criminal violations and financial crimes in a manner that fosters confidence in the tax system. 6. Office of Professional Responsibility operates the laws and regulations governing the practice of tax professionals before the Department of Treasury and the Internal Revenue Service. 7. Whistleblower Office assesses and analyzes tips received from individuals who spot tax problems in their workplace or day-to-day business. 8. Return Preparer Office seeks to improve taxpayer compliance by providing comprehensive oversight and support of tax professionals. 9. Online Services delivers strategy, policy, and initiatives to strengthen the IRS online services experience. The Deputy Commissioner for Operations Support oversees the IRS's integrated support functions, facilitating economy of scale efficiencies and better business practices. The functions under the Deputy Commissioner for Operations Support include 1. Information Technology manages and secures information resources and technology for the agency. Information Technology establishes the IRS's long-range objectives and strategies for improving tax administration through modernizing tax administration systems. 2. The Chief Financial Office manages a portfolio of corporate-wide activities, including strategic planning, performance measurement, budget formulation, budget execution, accounting, financial management, and internal controls. 3. Facilities Management and Security Services strategically partners with IRS customers, delivering a safe, secure, and optimal work environment that promotes effective tax administration. 4. Human Capital Office provides human capital strategies and tools for recruiting, hiring, developing, and retaining a highly skilled and high-performing workforce to support IRS mission accomplishments. 5. Privacy, Government Liaison, and Disclosure preserves and enhances public confidence by advocating for protection and proper use of identity information. 6. Equity, Diversity, and Inclusion provides services and resources to enhance the IRS's ability to achieve its mission by leveraging the diversity of our workforce, cultivating inclusion within our workforce, and ensuring the civil rights of taxpayers and employees are respected and enforced. 8. Office of the Chief Risk Office oversees the Enterprise Risk Management Program, providing a strategic framework to effectively deal with risk across the agency. 8. Procurement provides acquisition services for all business units of the IRS and other bureaus and offices within Treasury. 9. Research Applied Analytics and Statistics provides strategic research, analytics, statistics, and technology services. Thank you.